So if any of you own a Quad Runner 500 1998 through 2002 and had problems starting, this has plagued me for over 4 years. I've cleaned the carburetor, changed spark plugs. The only way I can get it to start is spraying starter fluid directly into the carburetor, taking off the filter. I messed with the Petcock and a few other items, but it still didn't fix. Of course, without the manual, I figured out to turn on the prime. Of course, turn your key on, choke it all the way down, and I pumped about 6 times. Fires right up. Make sure you change your gas back over to reserve or fuel. This has been a 4-year headache.